Dear students, today we will start a new chapter, waste generation and management. So as like the previous chapter means health organizations, this chapter also quite easy, and if you read the chapter you can easily understand. So let's start it. It's from your concise biology class 9. So start it. By the name you can understand waste generation and management means the waste product generated from different field, okay, from household, from industrial, and from the different area they will produce. How just you treat that waste materials, and how just we can use also in waste. We can't to stop producing waste. If you eat the food, the leftover of the food is also a waste. So how we can't to throw it out? If how you can utilize it, how we can utilize the waste product for a better purpose or in a productive way, that we will learn in this chapter. And it is important. Waste management, that is a part of in senior class someone used to learn this waste management, and these factors, these are important. This kind of job is also available. Those used to learn on this waste treatment and management in different companies, also jobs also available. So very nice chapter, interesting topic. So first go to the syllabus. As there is nothing so much explained, so I am just going through the first. I am taking checking the syllabus. So sources of waste: domestic, industrial, agricultural, commercial, and other establishment. From these different establishments, the waste generated, we will talk about that in this chapter. Then domestic waste, industrial, agriculture, all in explanation. E-waste, that is a interesting term. Previous class you are not well known about this waste. So here you will learn about this, and there is some safe disposal, how safely we can handle them, okay, without just throwing here and there, how we can handle the waste, okay. So there also the some process has given. So students, here it has started. Here waste is any substance which is discarded after primary use, or it is worthless, defective, and of no use, okay. That's why this is called waste, which is generally no use. Now students, you can see, ever since human society has been evolving, huge population growth, and there has been ever increasing demand of primary need of food, shelter, and clothing. This has led to the rapidly increasing size and number of towns, cities, large agricultural fields, storage godowns, factories, interconnecting roads, railways, and so on. With these, there has also been increasing use of electricity, firewoods, petroleum, and even nuclear energy. All this is leading to more and more human body wastage, livestock waste, discarded equipments. So these discarded equipments is also belongs to the e-waste, okay, agricultural waste, etc. Efficient method of their disposal are being continuously improved, okay. So here it is: categories of waste: domestic, industrial, agricultural, municipal, e-waste, electronic waste, okay. And domestic waste: kitchen, plastic, glass, these are the domestic waste. Students, you just read it, okay. Here it is: industrial waste: mining, cement industry, oil refinery, construction units. From construction unit, which kind of waste generally produce, okay, you just read, you can easily understand. Agricultural waste, municipal waste, okay. In municipal, there is a, you can see that discharge from public toilets, hospital, hotels, restaurants, etc. All these waste carried away through sewers, and this is called sewage. The sewage is separated into degradable, non-degradable. In Kolkata, you can see two types of bucket types of instrument has given each and every house. One is green, another is blue types. So one for the biodegradable and another is non-biodegradable waste they will gather. Because how they every day when the people from municipal corporation used to come, they will separately take in truck, upload in truck, and they will take it to the main treatment purpose, means main treatment area where they will treat separately with the biodegradable and another with the non biodegradable. Okay, these types of system nowadays has started. Okay, now we come to the main e-waste. Here you can see student discarded cellular phones. So nowadays hugely this e-waste is there in market. Okay, all the electrical gadgets, electrical equipments which are not working, they don't have any value also. They used to mean their parts is not working, so we used to sell them in very less amount of money. But where they are going? So these completely, okay, they will produce a waste. Okay, later they used to treat it a proper way, but the waste is produced, that is called e-waste. Okay, here the everything has written. Okay, here you can see. So this kind of burning produce, and thus this gas has generated student, it is very much harmful. This gas even cause cancer. TV and radio, this kind of mechanic shop, means where the repairing shop of TV and all the things, they are the, when they used to operate with the instrument in this kind of shop, they must wear the mask. Okay, whereas the gas produced during the welding and the other purpose, so this gas is very harmful for the human body. So proper precautions is needed. Here you can see. So that is the thing. Harmful substance, very harmful: lead, cadmium, mercury, these all are cancer creating substance. Okay, these three very harmful elements. Okay, so valuable material like gold, silver, copper also present from the, okay, like you know students, gold is a very important, very nice element which also can be used in plate, okay, in the chip and in other purpose. So here generation of e-waste mostly generated larger cities. Okay, as living standard are first improving, even the smaller cities and towns are getting flooded with electronic gadgets, and thus contributing to e-waste disposal. Okay, here then recycling, most electronic device contain a variety of material including metals which can be recovered for future use, but it need to be done very carefully under skilled supervision. That is very nice word, keyword, skilled supervision. Otherwise it is not, it can't do by any person. Okay, skilled labor is needed for doing these kind of things. After that, here special e-bin should be kept at place for dumping discarded e-waste. Okay, so of course it's needed e-bins like biodegradable, non biodegradable e-bins also specially. So all types of materials, if you keep 3 bucket also in your home and separately you can dispose them, that is also, if biodegradable you can use as fertilizer and all other purpose which can degrade, and non biodegradable you can't, if you throw it here and there, that will create a just that will just poisoning the I can say the soil around your home. So it's the thing, how you will keep your surroundings neat and clean. Okay, that's depend on you. Now science teaching and research laboratory is waste. Okay, there is this means the from this laboratory the waste used to produce. Okay, from next page, method of safe disposal, segregation, you just segregate it by reusable, degradable, non degradable. Okay, which one is reusable, you can take separate it and you can reuse it, and which is degradable means that organic waste, the generally vegetables, fruit peeling, you can see. Okay, they are involved activity microorganism, it is called biodegradation. Okay, very important. There are non biodegradable parts such as contain plastic and other can be dumped. Okay, dumping, here you can see the another process, segregation after the dumping, then composting. Okay, composting, these are the definition, means putting waste organic material, generally composting happens for the degradable waste. Okay, used for fertilizer, agricultural land. Okay, then the here the proper drainage system, treatment of effluent before discharge. Okay, means like this scrubber and incineration. Incineration is a process of burning. Okay, so same means scrubber. What's the function of scrubber? In the above of the chimney, this kind of machines fitted on the in the industry, which will filter all the gas. It will take up all the gases and poisoning materials. Similar here you can see. Okay, the industrial and municipal waste waters are wastewater treatment is very important thing. How to wastewater treatment, the peoples those know it, huge job vacancy there in the Tata industry, and the in the different industry water they use. Water is basic need for industry. So after a proper purpose of water, the water become poisons, means after using the water mixed with the all the waste material. So waste water treatment, how you will treat this waste water, the companies what they used to do, industry just like Tata I told you, that they used to use that waste water. Okay, means again and again they who will provide them the water, same water after the treatment become wasted, they just take that wasted water, and wastewater treatment process is there, that wastewater again converted into fresh water, again they will use, then come as wastewater, then just there is the function of the person wastewater treatment. Okay, so it is a cyclic process happens in the industries. Okay, that is wastewater treatment. Here you can see before disposing of into water bodies, this is done by three part: primary treatment, secondary treatment, and tertiary treatment. So students, if you read you can easily understand. Here you can see incineration, that is the process burning, you can say disposal of waste by burning in a compact chamber, you can say. Okay, and scrubber removal gaseous and particulate air pollutant. Okay, particulate matter PM, you can say, they used to absorb by the scrubber. There is the procedure. And electrostatic participator means you know, charge particle also present in the gaseous in the gas. Okay, when the dirty air containing pollutant particulates are passed through chamber containing electrically charged plate, they will, suppose from here they will enter, and here you can see the electrode plus minus, they will absorb and clean gas will out, as there it is charged plate is has given electrostatic plate. So student, that is the end of this topic, and if you feeling any problem to understand, leave a comment below, and thank you very much. God bless you all.